Mr. Powers, this is Dan at Tater & Sons. I'm just going to do this quick video for you. It'll last a couple minutes. Front of the truck, a few normal little rock chips up on the hood area. You can't even hardly see them. Left side, I'd put the tires at 85 to 90% front and rear. Interior, we've got a paper mat there on the floor to protect the carpet. Rear, the bed, some surface scratches on the tailgate. I hope you can see that, Casey. A few on the bottom of the bed. A few on the headboard there. Rear, trailer toe. Right side. It looks as though this right front fender, Casey, has been worked a little bit, possibly repainted. I don't know if you can see it. I can see a few little sand marks in it. I mean, it's a good job. It's, if you look close, you can see it. You're all the way in Vancouver, and I certainly don't want to. I want to point out every little negative as long as every positive. A little chip out of that left side rear door handle right there. And other than that, it's a nice, straight, clean truck. So I'm going to sign off now. Hope you get this okay. Thanks a lot.